guys, welcome back to my channel. My name is Sheena, but I go by SheenBoo. If you hear noise in the background, it's because Daryl's studying and he's taking his online courses. If you hear noise in the foreground, I'm coming to you live from outside. If it looks like I can't see, I can't. So this, what is this? Nightstand right here. The drawers are here. I'm gonna do my first DIY, okay, or revamp. Let me show y'all, because I couldn't find the nightstands that I wanted, so I decided I'm gonna just make my own. So I went to the Goodwill. So I'm gonna show y'all the nightstands, and then I'm gonna show you a haul of what I got to do them, and then whether it comes out good or bad, you guys are gonna see. I took my ring off because we're not about to do sanding and spray paint with the ring on, so don't harass me. Still married, got my ring stains on and all of that. So let's see, let's get up. So this is the nightstand, and these are the drawers to go into it. So I went to Walmart and got all this. I was just gonna get sandpaper to sand it myself. I'm gonna have to shut that door, that thing is too loud. I was just gonna get sandpaper to sand it myself. These are like $3. This drill came with its own sandpaper, but I didn't see mass course. It was $13.44 at Walmart. I got 2 of these paints. I think these are like $6 or $7. I'll have to put links to everything down there. And then I got these 6-pack because I'm gonna change the handles too. That's just my camera bag. So let's get into this DIY or this revamping of this. So now that I'm done sanding unnecessarily, this is what it looks like. Basically the same, just a little bit smoother. The surface was actually already smooth, and it's not real wood, so it really didn't need to be sanded. So we're gonna move on from there. I just got excited. I wanted to be Bobby the Builder and try to sand something. But if you have this type of wood, you don't need to sand it. So I'm gonna go ahead and proceed to taking the handles off the second set. Already got them off of the first set, and we're gonna go ahead and move on from this. But nonetheless, you live and you learn, so let's just keep going. So these are not 4 screw holes as I originally thought. You're actually gonna turn it in, and right here we're going to take this out. This is just a regular flathead screwdriver. I don't know what the plastic guard is for, but my husband already had it on there, so I'm gonna go with it. And I'm just going to unscrew these and start spray painting. Oh, SheenBoo just wanted to be cool. They all look fresh, so like I said, I'm just gonna go ahead and unscrew these. So word to the wise, do your research on, even if it's to do it yourself, do your research on like what type of wood you have or whatever. I got these shelves from Goodwill, if I didn't mention earlier. So just do your research on whether you should sand or not, because I totally didn't need to sand. Y'all know I'm impatient, and Daryl was studying and I interrupted him. Sorry, babe, but he actually looked it up for me and found out that I didn't even need to sand. So I could have just did it myself or just waited, and then I would have known that. But it's okay. Just to move it on to the next thing. So see the 2 holes right here? 1, 2. That's it. So that's actually good, because I was thinking I was going to have to put 2 handles on there, because to me this appeared to be 4 screws and it's really just a decoration. And on the back of here there's just 2 holes. So let's get to painting, y'all. Oh wait, I still have one more to take apart, but we're gonna skip that, and then you guys will see me and or Daryl spray painting. Daryl wants to play too, so we're gonna.
No, I don't.
Yes, you do.
See, when you sanding it, made it harder for the paint to come in there. Be careful, all of it's going this way.
All right, y'all, so excuse the outside noise, but it is the next day. I went ahead and let these sit overnight. Try to give y'all a close-up, get my shadow out the way, but this glossy paint came out so good. Those are the drawers back there. So the next thing I show you guys will probably be tonight when I get home from work, and I'm actually putting the handles on these, and then gonna put them in my room and put the lamps on top of them. But I think it came out really good. So I'm back home from work, and this is the inner part of the nightstand, obviously. Back up. I don't really want to show y'all my bed because it's not made, but this is my room and it's on the side of the bed. Give y'all a little sneak peek of the drapes. They blue and orange. The bed set is also blue. But so now I'm just gonna take these and put them on there, and we're done. And I got the little screws right here. Screw holes are on like right here, so I'm gonna just line it up with this. Should fit. Oh shoot, think we have a problem. Well, we'll have to do it this way and see. I don't think it's gonna fit, guys. These holes are a little wider, I think. These aren't wide enough. I'm gonna have to take them back. So we're gonna have to resume tomorrow because the holes right here are more narrow. This is more spread out. So unless this isn't gonna work, I'm so disappointed. I really just can't believe that this ain't working. So these will be going back because the holes don't line up. Unless I cement glue them. My husband has cement glue and I have a hot glue gun, but this would have been so cute with this one on there. So, I'll see you guys tomorrow once I figure out what I'm going to do. Alright guys, so after going back and forth with the taking handles to the store and them not fitting and all of that, I'm glad I saved the original ones. These are what they look like. Because I'm going to put them back on because they fit and they do look good with the blue. I just don't like the color. So we're going to spray this part, and then we're going to, once it dries, we're going to flip it over and do the handle, I guess. Or if I just put the handles to the outside, I don't know, maybe I could get those too. But we're going to be using this chrome spray paint, so it should look like this. And then with the blue. So this is what they're looking like. We're going to go ahead and let them dry. Guys, I'm so proud. Look what's finally done. Yay, 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 yay. So let's go put them in their respective places, and then we'll show you what it looks like. Alright guys, this is the final product. And I'm going to have a picture of it probably on the thumbnail and most definitely on my Instagram so that you can get like a better look of it when it's brighter. Shh, babe. But I am like absolutely in love, y'all. Look how good that came out. That looks so good. So thumbs up for more DIYs. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe. Keep up with SheenBoo all the time. Instagram, Twitter, Periscope, SheenBoo. You already know. So follow me and keep on watching. See ya!